What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be reviewing a very affordable watch brand called Filippo Loreti, and yes, this video is sponsored by them. They were nice enough to send me a watch, but I'm going to be as unbiased as possible and give you my honest review, and hopefully this video helps out anyone who's looking to buy a watch from them. Let's get started. This is the box that it comes in. It's very unique because it has the actual watch printed on the box. Let's take a look inside. So this is the Filippo Loreti Odyssey watch. It's a coarse movement watch with a chronograph dial. Let's peel off the plastic. Ooh, that feels good. First impression, I like the shine. It looks good. Before I get into the watch, let's see what else is inside the box. So there's a note that says you are awesome. So it says, we just wanted you to know that your belief, patience, and support was essential during this time. Enjoy your new watch. Yours sincerely, Filippo Loreti team. Okay, and then there's a cleaning cloth. Extra links. And the instruction booklet. Let's go over the dimensions first. It has a case diameter of 42 millimeters, lug to lug 49 millimeters, case thickness 13 millimeters, band width of 19.5 millimeters, and it comes in weighing at 141 grams. For reference, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches. Yeah, I have small wrists, don't judge. So this looks pretty big on me. If your wrist is bigger than mine, which there's a high chance that it is, it'll definitely look more proportionate on you. Let's move on to the details. The strap is stainless steel. The middle links have a high polished finish, while the outer links have a brushed finish. The bezel, you can rotate it counterclockwise. It says it's water resistant up to 100 meters, but I don't see a crown gasket. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a rubber O-ring in the crown, and it protects the watch from water leaking into the dial. So since I don't see one on this watch, I wouldn't recommend wearing this when you're out swimming. It's probably okay if you're doing something casual like washing your dog. It has these chronograph pushers on the side, and the hands glow in the dark. The glass is made out of sapphire coated mineral glass. Let's talk about the dial. You have your standard 24-hour dial at the 3 o'clock position, sub-second dial at 6, and the minute dial at 9 position. The reason why a lot of people like chronograph dials is because you get the full experience. And what I mean by that is that not only does it tell time, but you can use it as a stopwatch as well. It's also a very iconic look that's been around for ages. So how does this work? If you press the top button, the sub-second dial starts to rotate. And when that goes all the way around, the minute hand at the 9 o'clock will go up by 1. If I press it again, it'll stop. And when I press the bottom, it'll reset. So if you pull the crown and press and hold the top button, you can reset the chronograph hands back to the 12 o'clock position. Moving on to the bezel, this is a unidirectional bezel, meaning that it only turns counterclockwise. It's a nice smooth bezel as opposed to a coin edge. There's a minute track on the bezel. It has 90 clicks and it feels very smooth, very easy to rotate, and you can hear the clicks, which is a little soothing to listen to, not gonna lie. Alright, let's move on to the straps now. So the middle links have a high polished finish, while the outer links have a brushed finish. It has the deployant clasps with their logo engraved on it. And there's 2 micro adjustments in the clasp. What's nice is that there is quick release pins, so if you push the pins towards each other, the straps will detach, which is very convenient if you're switching straps. The back is engraved with these 2 seahorses, which looks really cool, not gonna lie. You don't see a lot of watch brands engraving an image on the back. If you take a closer look, it says, "Be strong, safe my heart." Not sure what safe means. I'm bad with words, but anyways, this is limited edition. And this is model number 1822 out of 2020. Now let's talk about the movement. This is your standard quartz movement. Let's take a look at the inside of the watch. Now this is a screw down case back, so I have to use my case back remover tool to get this off. I really love this tool. It's not expensive at all and it's very useful. I bought this from Amazon, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link to the product in the description. Now let's take this off. This is how it looks on the inside. This is a Seiko VD54C movement. There's no jewels, it's made in Japan. Filippo Loreti says their battery life is good for 2 years, and if you're wondering where that battery is, it's located under this plastic housing. So the movement isn't that expensive, which no surprises there because this is a quartz movement. So if you take a look online, this type of movement retails for around $20. I definitely recommend when you're buying a watch to look up the movement and find out the cost because it'll give you a better understanding of the watch that you're thinking about getting. Now let's test out the Luminous watch hands. So this is how the watch looks after putting it under a lamp for about 90 seconds. It looks pretty good. And this is how it looks after 5 minutes. You can see that it's lost almost all of its glow. Last thing I want to say is that I know there's a lot of hate towards these type of watch brands, and I've seen comments from my last watch review video. A lot of you guys are telling me to buy a Casio, buy a Seiko, and I get it, those are good brands, but let's not hate on someone just because they prefer one brand over another. Just want to put it out there. This video is my unbiased and honest review of the watch, and hopefully this answered all your questions regarding Filippo Loreti. If you do decide to buy this watch after watching my video, don't forget to use my discount code MENSFASHION15 to save 15% off your next order. And that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.